Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you a simple app. We will see how to implement a toast notification in your Android app. So let's get started. I have created a new Android project and you can see we are getting the hello world. It's a new Android project and I have done nothing till now. So what we will do, we will create a button here and on the click of button we will show the toast notification. So let's go to the XML part and create a button. So we need to delete the text, just delete it. Now let's drag and drop the UI button here, and as of now we are not much trying to get the better UI. We are just, the main focus is on the toast notification, so we will just give some default constraint and we will go ahead. Okay, so let's, okay, now change the text to show toast and let's give a, let it be the button as ID, and let's run the app and see our changes. Okay, great. So our UI part is done. We have created the button. Now on the click of this button we have to show the toast. Great. So let's type the ID and let's set the on click listener for this button. So this is not the on click listener, this is the one which we were looking for. Not even this one, guys. Sometime it comes, sometime it doesn't. Yeah, this one. So now this is the function, this is the method to call the toast notification. Now we have to give the context, so it will be the this. Something is wrong here. Okay, and that was my mistake. So we have to do toast dot make toast, then we have to give the context here. So for that we can do simply this, and now we have to give the text here. This is a toast. That's done. Now we have to give the duration. So for that we have two options. One is the long, one is the short. Shorter one will be the, like, for not even for 1 second, and the long will be like something between 1 and 2 seconds. So let's make it long, and we have to give here show. Now we are ready to run our app. Okay, so let's click on the show toast button, and yes, we are getting our toast notification. So that's all, guys, for today's video. Thanks for watching.